Tetras are a popular and a colorful fish that are known for their vibrant blue and the red colors. They are peaceful schooling fish that thrive in a community aquarium. So when selecting the tank mate for the neon tetras, it's important to consider their peaceful natures and the small size. Here are some suitable tank mate for the neon tetras. Number 1 in the list is the Corydoras catfish. So Corydoras catfish are peaceful, bottom dwelling fish that can coexist harmoniously with the neon tetras. They are social creatures that thrive in a group and help keep the aquarium substrate clean. Corydoras catfish and neon tetra have similar water parameter requirement, making them the compatible tank mate. So Corydoras catfish add diversity to the bottom level of the aquarium and contribute to a dynamic ecosystem. Number 2 in the list is the guppies. So guppies are the colorful, peaceful fish that are well suited for a community aquarium. They came in a wide range of colors and fin types, adding variety to the aquarium to the tank inhabitants. So guppies are active swimmers and can coexist peacefully with the neon tetra. Their small size and the peaceful nature make them the suitable tank mates for the neon tetras. Number 3 in the list is the rasboras. So rasboras are the small peaceful fish that can thrive in a community aquarium. They came in a varieties of the colors and the size. Their schooling behaviors adds in engaging dynamic to the tank. Some suitable rasbora for a community aquarium with neon tetra include the harlequin rasbora, chili rasbora, because the rasboras and the neon tetras share the similar water parameter requirement, making them the compatible tank mates. Next in the list is the swordtail fish. So swordtail fish are peaceful, active fish that can coexist harmoniously with the neon tetras. They came in a varieties of the colors and the fin shape, adding diversity to the tank aesthetics. Swordtails are relatively hardy and adaptable, making them the suitable companions for a neon tetra. Providing ample swimming space and the hiding spot will create a harmonious environment for both the species. Fifth is the platies. So platies are the peaceful, colorful fish that can thrive alongside with the neon tetras in a community tank setups. They came in a varieties of the colors and the patterns, adding visual interest to the aquariums. So platies are hardy and easy to care for, making them suitable for the beginners aquarist. So platyfish and the neon tetras have similar water parameter requirement, making them the compatible tank mates. So sixth fish in the list is the angelfish. So angelfish is the graceful and the majestic addition to a community aquarium. While they are smaller than the neon tetras, they are generally peaceful and can cohabitate with them if provided with the adequate space. It's important to consider the size of the aquariums when keeping angelfish with the neon tetras, as angelfish requires more vertical swimming space due to their tall body shape. Seventh in the list is the bristlenose plecos. So bristlenose pleco are the peaceful alligating catfish that can help maintain a clean environment in the aquarium. They are compatible with the neon tetras and other community fish, and their unique appearance add interest to the tank inhabitant. Bristlenose plecos are bottom dwelling like the Corydoras catfish, creating a diverse ecosystem within the aquariums. 8th is the culiloches. So culiloches are the slender eel-like fish that add an interesting dynamic to the aquarium. They are peaceful and spend much of their time burrowing in the substrate or exploring the tank decors. So culiloches are the best kept in a groups and appreciate having plenty of hiding spot in the aquarium. Their unique appearance and the behaviors make them intriguing tank mates for the neon tetras. So 9th in the list is the cherry bob. So cherry bob are the peaceful and the colorful fish that can thrive alongside neon tetra in a community setup. Their red and the golden colorations add visuals appealing to the aquariums, and they are known for their active swimming behavior. So cherry bob appreciate plants tank with open swimming space, creating a vibrant and dynamic environment for both the species. So 10th in the list is the zebra danio. So zebra danio are energetic schooling fish that can coexist with the neon tetra in a community aquarium. They are hardy and adaptable, making them the suitable companions for a tetra like neon tetra. So zebra danios appreciate having plenty of open swimming space and may exhibit the playing chasing behaviors within their school, adding activity to the tanks. 11th in the list is the harlequin rasbora. So harlequin rasbora are the peaceful schooling fish that can coexist harmoniously with the neon tetra in a community tank. They have a striking red and the black colorations, exhibit the interesting behaviors when kept in a groups. So Harlequin rasbora prefer planted tanks with open swimming spaces, making them suitable companion for a neon tetrus. 12th is the dwarf gourami. So dwarf gourami are the colorful and the peaceful fish that can be kept with the neon tetrus in a community setup. They comes in a varieties of the color including the blue, reds and the orange, adding visual interest to the aquarium. Dwarf gouramis are labyrinth fish, which means they breathe air from the surface, so providing the access to the open waters is important when keeping them with a neon tetra. So 13th is the Orthynchus catfish. 14th is the Ember tetrus. 15th is the Endler guppy. 16th is the Celestial Pearl Danio. 17th is the White Cloud Mountain Venus. 18th is the Sparkling Gourami. 19th is the Panda Corridor's catfish. 20th is the Rainbow fish. 21st is the Black Neon tetrus. 22 is the Harlequin rasbora. 23 is the Pearl Gourami. 27th is the Ember tetrus. 28th is the Bolivian rams. Next is Orthynchus catfish, and the last is Celestial Pearl Danio. So these are all information regarding the tank mate for a neon tetrus. I hope this video will help you. More videos are coming soon, so please stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.